what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video, and I am so excited, okay, because in front of me I have my Amazon favorites, my Amazon must-haves, things that I need and you definitely need because they are life-changing. A little dramatic, maybe they're not life-changing to you, but they were pretty life-changing to me. And these are products that are things that I have purchased on Amazon, products that I continue to repurchase like time and time and time again because I love them so much, or I can only get them on Amazon, stuff like that. But this is pretty much, I'm gonna sum this up and say this is my Amazon favorites, okay? We have so many categories here, you guys. I'm so excited to get into this video, so if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into all of my Amazon favorites. All of these products are under $30. So I need to start out with the product that I am most excited about and like my most recent discovery. These sponges, you guys. These are called the what are they called? Super Soft Paw Wonder Blender from AOA. So if you guys saw my video last week or my makeup haul, I was talking about how I can never find like sponges that I love, like sponges that are consistent, that are smooth, that don't separate your makeup, that don't absorb all your product like you guys. Finding a good consistent sponge these days is so hard. Even with Beauty Blender, you would think a brand like Beauty Blender, since they're $20 for one sponge, that every single sponge would be a slam dunk, and it's not. Some of them are big, some of them are small, some of them have pores, some of them are this. It's just becoming exhausting to me, and I was so over it. So I went on Amazon and I was just searching, and these had come up, and I've seen my friend Alexa use these before, and I was like, I don't know like if I'm gonna like these because they're $10 and you get 6 of them, and I was like, there's no way that this $10 like pack of 6 sponges is going to like not be too dense and absorb all of the product. Bitch. I was so wrong. It's not even funny. This is the sponge. I actually just used it today. I did a TikTok talking about it. The best, the absolute best sponge I've ever used. Like, you guys, mine's dirty, so let me pull out a clear one from the 6 that I have that I've only paid $10 for. Okay, I'm gonna show you 2 of them because you need to see. Do you see how the 2 of these look identical? Like, there is nothing different about them. Like, they're both smooth, they don't have big pores, they're not going to like separate or ruin your makeup. These sponges, you guys, holy shit, why was I waiting so long to try these? I was being stubborn. I was like, $20 for a sponge? Like, that needs to be the best sponge ever. Like, nothing can beat it. No. 6 sponges for $10, that beats it, okay? You do not need to go and spend a Beauty Blender. Now listen, I've loved Beauty Blender for like 10 years since I got into makeup. It was the first sponge I ever bought. Like, I literally have one sitting right here, but I'm gonna actually show you guys side by side. Like, this one isn't wet. Obviously, this one is damp because I just used it. But look at how smooth this one is, and this one, it's not nearly as smooth, okay? You need sponges that are going to rock your world, that are going to blend your foundation, blend your concealer, bake. You guys, this passed the baking test. Like, when it passed the baking test, I was like, just kill me now, okay? For a sponge to pass the baking test, along with everything else, it's literally magic, and I am just so excited. I literally want to like scream it from like the top of like the Empire State Building and be like, this is the best sponge, or like, this is the best because it is so good. I had to start with it, okay? Okay, so now that I got all my excitement out with that freaking sponge, let's go into, all right, let's get into fitness, because in case you guys don't know, I am in my like fitness era. Like, I've been going to the gym like 4 to 5 days a week since April. I go to Orange Theory, and you guys, like, the gym has become my life. Like, I've kind of made it like my whole entire personality. But the way that I have fallen in love with the gym and fitness is like another level. So I first want to start out with these gloves because, you guys, I was struggling. Like, my first like month to month and a half, everything was good. And then after that, like, my hands, like, I was getting the calluses, doing the rower became hard, lifting weights was hard. And I was just like, I need to get gloves because this is becoming like ridiculous. Gloves, you guys, are life changing. There's a reason that when you watch people's like fitness videos and stuff that they're wearing gloves, because first of all, the grip, incredible. Like, the grip on these, you can literally grip the weights and you are good, okay? And the way that you're just able to lift things with ease now, like, it was getting so hard. Like, my form was off because my hands were in so much pain from the calluses that were forming. I was like, I need to do something. So I went on Amazon. I got these for $6. Now, I will say they're not my favorite, but they are really, really good for the price point, you guys. I have another pair that are $20, and I do prefer those more, but I didn't get those on Amazon. But if you were looking for something to start out with, these are a great starting pair. This is what I started with, you guys. They're great, they're good, and they're only $6.99. So for that, 10 out of 10 would recommend these, especially if you're getting into fitness, you don't want to spend too much money. These are amazing. So I have 2 workout sets here that I really want to talk about. So let's start with these. These, like this set is the most expensive one. This one I believe was between $27 or $30, I forget. But you guys, look at the butt. It has that little thing like that makes your butt look good, and I love these. The sports bra, I'm gonna be totally honest with you, it's not my favorite. I think it's because my boobs are honestly too small for this. I think this is a size, yeah, this is a size small. It doesn't necessarily hold me in place the way that I would like it to, just because it's a little bit bigger on me than I would like. These, you guys, I am obsessed with these. They like hold me in place. They make me look snatched. Like they are so good and they're so easy to work out in. Love, love, love these. Now this set, you guys, if you are really like looking for something that's a steal, then this set is going to be for you. So I think I paid $9 or like $10 or $11 for this. I think I just checked the price the other day. I think they're $12. So it's $12. You get this, like these pair of like shorts and then this sports bra. Again, I am not a fan of this sports bra, you guys. The way this actually feels cheap. Like the sports bra, I wouldn't necessarily recommend, but again, also like my boobs are like shrinking so much. So I'm used to things like fitting me a certain way, and this doesn't. Like if I need to, I will wear both of these. Like I'm not like, oh my God, I can never wear these. Like I will wear them. I've worn them a bunch of times to the gym, but they're not my first pick. But the bottoms, you guys, especially these, I'm gonna insert a picture for you guys so you can see what I'm talking about with the way that these snatch me. These are a size small as well, and they come up to about like here. I'm actually just gonna put the picture here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But you literally look like you look so good in these. Whenever I wear these, I'm like, yes, like I look so good. I love these. They're so easy to work out in. They're comfortable. They're like, they suck you in just enough where you're not gonna feel suffocated, if that makes sense. So I 10 out of 10 recommend both of these sets. If you're looking for something that comes with a bra and you're not as picky as me when it comes to like the way things fit you up here, both of these sets would be incredible. So these are really, really random, you guys, but I swear Amazon is the only place where I can find these consistently. These are from These are from Colgate. These are the Wisp, okay? So these come in a pack of 4. I think it's like $23 for them. You guys, have you ever seen these? They're like little disposable toothbrushes. I do not go to work. I don't go on vacation. I don't go a day without using these. Now, these are perfect for when you're on the go, you guys. Like, especially when I'm at work and like, let's say I have ranch or I have an onion or I have something, or like something that gets stuck in your teeth. These, you guys, will clean your teeth. Like, I think they clean your teeth better than a regular toothbrush. Like, I of course still brush my teeth like morning and night, but you guys, these, the way that it gets all of like that gunk off your teeth, like if you go like this after you use them, you can really feel how there's nothing like on your teeth anymore. It gets everything out. And like I said, I don't go on vacation. I don't go to work. Like I have these everywhere that I go. I pulled them out at work the other day and my coworker was like, the Wisp, those are incredible. And I'm like, yeah, I know. These are the best invention everywhere. If I go to a special event, like I will literally take one, throw it in my little purse, and then go to the bathroom when I'm done eating and just like freshen up quick. They have like a little mint, like a little minty thing in the middle, you guys. These are incredible. I cannot, will not, never not be using these, okay? Another product that I can only find on Amazon, and these are for my girls that suffer with dry eye. If you, like, you know who you are. Like you guys, my eyes are my biggest problem, honestly. Like if I had to pick one thing about myself that's my biggest problem, oh, there's a Thor hair like right on my nose. I think I got it. It would be my eyes. They're always burning, they're always itching, they're always irritated, they're always red. There's always something going on with them. These are eye drops for dry eyes, and they were actually recommended to me by my, I think I'm gonna say it right, ophthalmologist? Or yeah, ophthalmologist. The one that like you go to if you have problems like with your eyes. The optometrist is like the vision one, I think. I think I got that right. I'm gonna have to Google after this video to find out if I look stupid or not. But anyways, he recommended these to me because he was like, the other ones, they're kind of like knockoffs, like the Blink ones or like the whatever other ones are sold at like Target and stuff. He was like, these ones are like the real deal. And I can never find these anywhere. By the way, I did not get that Thor hair. It's still chilling on my nose. And I can see it right here. But anyways, so these I always repurchase on Amazon, you guys, and I cannot like get up in the morning without these. When I wake up in the morning, you guys, it is one of the hardest parts of my day because my eyes are just on fire and all I want to do is go right back to sleep, but I can't. So obviously like these come in so clutch. I use them like, you can use these as many times a day as you want. Like he told me I can use them like 3, 4, 5 times a day. Sometimes I use them that much. Sometimes I only need them morning and then again at night. It just really depends on how I'm feeling that day. So if I feel like I need these multiple times, you can use them multiple times a day. I love these. So if you are a girly that suffers with drier eyes, then you need to pick these up because these have changed everything when it comes to my eyes. Now let's get into like the funner stuff. So these, you guys, I have repurchased these like 3 or 4 times. These are my favorite like dermabladers, or what do they call? Dermaplaner. Huh. No, you know like those little face blades that you use to like shave your face and stuff? These are my favorite. These are from Kitsch, and you guys, they're always on sale. So you get 12 in here, okay? And every time I go back on Amazon to repurchase these, they're always on sale for like $7 or $8. And these are my favorite to blade my face, you guys. I even use them to like trim like my nose hair from time to time because the way my nose is, like the nose hairs kind of like come out. That's gross. But anyways, I use them for that too. But mainly I use them to like shave my face, touch up like my lip, my chin. And these do not irritate my skin. They don't tug at my skin. They really get close to your skin and they get all of the hair off. Like your skin will be smooth like a baby's butt after using these. And like I said, they're always on sale. I think their full retail price is like $13. And every time I go on, I always find them for like $8 or $9. It's just really not that big of a deal. You get 12 in here and it is so worth it. Do not use any other scrunchie besides these. These are from Gimme, you guys, and these are the only scrunchies that I have used for like the last 2 years. This is a new pack because I beat the hell out of the first pack that I got. Like, I don't know where any of them are, so I'm on to my new pack. These do not tug at your hair. You know, like traditional scrunchies will tug at your hair. These do not. These are amazing. You can put them up. I wear them to the gym all the time. They hold your hair in place. My sisters use them. I use them. I am obsessed with them. And again, they do not tug your hair and they're really going to hold your hair in place. These, if you were looking for good scrunchies that are quality, that aren't super expensive, that are going to hold your hair, that aren't going to rip your hair out of your head every time you take them out, then you have to try these because these, I swear by them. I literally have one in my car. I have one in like every single purse. I have a bunch like throughout my house. Like these, you guys, I do not go anywhere without those. Like those are my bitches, okay? Next one, you cannot judge me for because I lost the cover for it, okay? So you cannot think that I'm gross. But these half lashes from Amazon, I have been using these, I think for like the last like 1.5 to 2 years. You guys, these are my holy grail fake eyelashes. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10 in here, and I believe these are between $8 and $12. The reason I love these is because I love a good cat eye. And to be totally honest with you, like I do not love like a big lash. I know some girls can like pull them off and look bomb in them. Like whenever they put them on, I'm like, why do you guys look so beautiful in big lashes and I look like a clown in them? So I just stay away from like bigger lashes most of the time. But these ones, not only are they half lashes, so you see how they go from like the smaller inner corner to like the wispy outer. They give you like that cat eye effect. I'm actually wearing them today. These are so easy to put on. They're like $8. You get 10 pairs and they look so natural. Like you would never even be able to tell that I'm wearing lashes. I mean, you probably can to some degree, but not like those big like fake fluffy ones that a lot of girls wear. Like those you can really tell. These definitely look more on like the natural side and I absolutely love these. I have repurchased probably like 6 or 7 of them because I just use them all the time because they're so inexpensive. Like I don't, you know how sometimes you feel like buyer's remorse, or not buyer's remorse, but like you feel guilty for using your expensive stuff because you're like, oh, it's not a special occasion. Like why am I using this? These I have no remorse for because they are so inexpensive and they're so easy to use. Love them. So if you're a girly that's looking for like user-friendly lashes, like you're new to putting lashes on, you don't want to look like crazy, you want to look natural, these are amazing. I constantly go back to these all the time. Love them. Cannot be without them. I saved my accessories for last because I did do like a little short on them about 2 weeks ago. So just in case you guys saw that, I figured I'd save these for last. So let's start out with my favorite sunglasses, you guys. I'm sure you've seen these everywhere. I feel like every single beauty like influencer or whoever wears these, but for good reason. These are, I think, $9 and you get 2 pairs and look at them. Mine are dirty, so don't judge me, but these, you guys, are so frigging cute. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. You just look like you're like a chic like 90s mom, but like you're fit and you're cute and you're hip. Like these, you guys, instantly make you feel like you're that girl, and they're $9. So of course I have traditional black and then I have like the tortoise print and I love these. And these are perfect, you guys, because if these, oh, this one is really dirty, actually. I'm gonna blame my sister because she definitely wore these last. But if you're gonna go to the beach, if you're gonna go to the pool, if you're gonna go on vacation and you don't want to like bring your expensive sunglasses, bring these, because if you lose these in the ocean, if these break in your bag, if whatever happens to them on vacation or at the beach, it's not that big of a deal because they're so affordable. So I love them for that. And honestly, I wear these whether I'm going to the beach, whether I'm going out, whatever. They just instantly make you, like, they just take you and make you into like that bitch, you guys. I am absolutely obsessed with these. There's a reason you see every single girl on social media wearing glasses like these, because they're comfortable. And also, you guys, if you wear makeup like me, let me put the brown ones on now. They are not going to take the makeup off your nose. You know how sometimes sunglasses will like take the makeup off the bridge of your nose? These will not, unless you're sweating bullets. Like if you're hot and you're sweating, like of course the makeup's gonna move. But if you're just like standing there being cute, not sweating and just hanging out, you're going to be fine. These, you guys, probably next to the sponges, one of my favorite accessories, or one of my favorite things that I've ever bought off Amazon. Get into the earrings. So I'm not wearing any from Amazon right now because I wanted to show you guys these. These ones are dirty. I need to clean them. They have foundation all over them. But these are like the Bottega dupe earrings that you've seen, like, you can see how like dirty mine are. I'm sorry. But yeah, that's just foundation. But these are pretty much the earrings that every single girl is like wearing on social media. I love these. I'm actually gonna put them on so you guys can see what I'm talking about. They do not weigh your ears down. They don't irritate your ears. And by the way, I have super sensitive ears. So for that not to happen to me is amazing. You guys are beautiful. They look like they're gonna weigh your ear down, and they don't. They're amazing. So the next ones are pretty much like similar, like the same thing but different. So this is what these ones look like. So as you can see, they are like the same type of shape. Let me just put them side by side so you can see. Same concept, but these are like the glam ones. So if you have a special event, if you're going to a wedding, if you just want to like dress them up, then these are going to be for you. And these, you guys, I think are $12. And then these ones I think are like the same price. They're around like the same price. But look at that. Like on this side, she's the glam, like she's going out, like she's serving. This one, she's glam, but she's not overly glam. You know what I mean? Like the different vibes that you can pull off with both of these is incredible. Absolutely love both of these, and I wear them all the freaking time. I'm sure if you watch my videos or watch my TikToks, you see me wear these all the time, but I love them. I actually went ahead and put on the Bottega dupe ones because I was looking at them on and I was like, these are serving like the look that I'm giving, so I need to wear these, okay? But anyways, you guys, that is everything that I wanted to talk to you guys about. Those are all of my like Amazon repurchases, all of the things I purchased on Amazon that I absolutely am obsessed with. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried any of these products, what your favorites are from Amazon, because I have been obsessing with it lately. Like literally every single day, something is showing up to my house because I'm constantly on Amazon. That's everything I have for you guys in today's video. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye.